answering your doubts and queries if you have. I'll just be informing you about the things that needs to be done so that it's much clear on what has to be done.
The classes, all the time I used to remind you draw every day. If a designer is not drawing a single drawing before sleeping, I don't consider myself. That's my perspective, and there are so many great people also agree to that. I don't consider them a designer, and I have from the beginning itself. You all are designers. We have talked about it enough. We have talked about those things. You need to consider yourself like that. Now, the secondly, you must be remembering that so many times, whenever we used to have classes, we used to share that. Remember where you're traveling, what you are doing in your travel. Draw your experiences. In fact, so many exercises also. You used to ask like this kind of question, sir, what should be your homework? Especially about your storyboarding and the creative side. Like, draw whatever you want. Draw your experience. Whether you went somewhere, you saw something, you saw something nice. I just say you one example. There is one juice shop, just brand. And it's a very tiny juice shop. It's very tiny. It's like you hardly fit a table inside it. So the place was so tiny, and the person used to sell juice as a sugar cane and some fruits also, and also he used to sell uh, sweet corn and some Chinese kind of stuff. So there were like variety was so much, and the space was very tiny, and there was hardly a space for dustbin and all this stuff. So I'll just draw one thing here. How he managed dustbin part. Juice shop was tiny, this much. Here was the counter. Hardly two or three people can stand here. The space will be filled completely. Board is visual, right? Yeah. Hardly two or three people can stand it. There was no part of the dustbin and all this stuff. What he managed, he put a strong, this long pipe. Pipe is same we use for for sewer system and all this stuff. The thin one. He put that pipe of exact size of the cup, and the diameter of the pipe was he had like he has standardized his products to sell in just two size of cups. So for the juice, the diameter of the juice cup was almost around like 3 inches, around three and a half inches. Length was around maybe four inches around. That was the size of the juice cup. And for the sweet corn cup, the size for this was again the diameter was same of the top, and length was little less. Can you understand what is happening? And all the cups are happening to be in diagonal way. Can you see? So you can stack up. You know, if you have a like a 4 feet height of this pipe also, you can stack up almost 500 cups in that. Now, this is just an example of how the person is managing his thing. I can take inspiration for my traveling for this thing. I travel a lot, you know that. And yesterday I shifted my place to another place. I shifted from HSR to another place, and I was at shifting during shifting. The whole stuff of my like whole year use came inside just two bags, which I loaded on my bike and shifted from there. And there were just some pieces of anything that I arranged from extra. But the whole idea is whenever you start traveling or whenever you go for something, apply those things which is most necessity of you, and after that you look for the secondary stuff. Why do you do that? just to you don't fall into some kind of trouble or any kind of problem you get. You can counter those problems or you can manage those problems. Plus, you'll be having very easy stuff to carry also. It's just a preparation part. You go for the searching about the place. Suppose you're going for like Kerala, you're going there of the place. You are searching about the place. What has been the history of that place? What is the current situation of the place? What is the economic situation of the place? What is the demography? Are you all making notes?
Yes.
See, whoever people are talking, Dimple ma'am, I answer, and me or Krishna sir, everything is coming out of experience. Okay, so I haven't written down anything. रात भर अपना घर सेट किया सो गया अभी उठा थोड़ी देर पहले but I was completely prepared that I have to share something today which you can take help from and everyone is like that. It's just coming out of experience. Please make a note of it. Everyone has done it before and they have succeeded. Okay, so all of you, I hope you're making notes. Now you research about the place, the everything, the culture of the place, the food habit of the place. Because why it's important? If you don't know the culture of the place, you might not understand how to deal with the culture, or you might, and because of that situation, you might create problem for that people. They might not like you. You know, you can't understand their language. You know, things turned out to be negative way as well. If you don't understand the food habit of the people, पेट खराब जाते you know you're eating some coconut oil or something like that and in the north side you're like all the time you eating mustard oil, your body is not going to sustain. You're suddenly आलू का पराठा से लेके and suddenly तुम मैदे का पराठा खा रहे, body is not going to sustain. You need to understand the food habit, how to counter these problems, right? These research, these are the primary research you need to do about that. This is not about the research, it's about getting to know about the place. After that you search the map. After that you search for where you're staying. You search about like what kind of place is this, what kind of amenities they are providing, how the people are. One more thing, how people are expecting you to present yourself to them. No, but it's not like that they are prepared for you or something like that. You are going there, but if you are going from outside, people are expecting something out of you if you expose to them. And if they are expecting something, that means they want you to be in certain way to be presented so that they can accept you, they can understand you, or they can tell with you, they can share their experience with you. Okay, and this is a practical thing because I've been traveling for the last 1.5 years, like a lot of the places, like spontaneous. It wasn't pre-planned. This bike jahan gaye, wahan pe chale gaye. Getting to know, and these things gave me a lot of challenges. All of you, I would suggest one movie to watch. I suggest a lot of movie to watch by then, and I hope you're watching. Hello, who is speaking? Yeah, you want to ask something or something? Your question? Please, if you don't have such thing, please keep your mic off. Okay, Drisha, I think this is here. Mute your mic. Yeah. So about this, the movie. Watch this movie, Castaway. Have you watched anyone? Castaway. Castaway. Tom Hanks. The FedEx thing. His plane crashes and he's stuck at one island. And how this guy is managing Life of Pi. What's that also? Life of Pi. But Castaway is like a little next level, and how this guy is managing his everything. Actually, at one island, deserted island, there's not like deserted island. You can't found if you don't find a human, you can't see deserted. Generally, we are like so much self important that we find something is no human we can't do it. It's not like that. There are so many. There's a full fledged ecology, but we are not able to sustain that ecology. Okay, but how we can mold ourselves? Can we design something? Can we design our acts accordingly, or can we design some tools accordingly so that that can help us to do our at least daily activity to make our body sustain? That guy, and I think I don't know if it's based on a real story or what, but the character is doing a lot of things to sustain at that island, and managing designing almost everything, all tools facility, and after that the farming the stuff, how he's finding to get the food and something. And just remember why this NID is doing with you, why the NID wants you to share travel story. Travel story, see, you experiencing something as everyone does that. And there are going to be like more than 5,000, almost 1,000, more than 1,000 students who are going to represent the same thing. Or let's say 50-50, there are two questions. People are going to represent two. So let's say if there are like 2,000 students, also 1,000 are going to represent that. And among that, the seats are like hardly like 100 or 120, something like that. Why NID wants you to do that? Anyone would give answer? I think. Please give me answer. Let's talk. Why do you think NID wants you to do that? Anyone?
So maybe they
I'll
want
ask
to
you.
see.
Yes. Yes.
They want to know your
Yes.
personality.
It's just only you were speaking. You weren't speaking.
This is not fair.
So maybe they want to see that what are the learning that we can take from a failure or anything, how we derive what we derive from that.
About the failure, I'm talking about the travel one. About the failure, we'll talk after this. What NID wants you to do with that?
Maybe they want to see how observant we are, that when we visit a place, what all things do we observe? Do we observe the culture and all that particular place?
Observe. What else?
So to understand our
Students,
psychology
I don't think so. I'm gonna teach you anything. One thing I want to make clear, and I'm very clear from the beginning about that. I really don't want to teach you anything, not a single thing. But all the things like basically, and that's I think my teammates also all the whole Ignite thing is going in that direction. That's creating an environment where you can be a part of it and you can learn by yourself. And that is what design learning means: observe, understand, learn. Technically and technique and all this stuff, of course, you will get those presentations and you will get those things. But those things will give you an idea to how to optimize and synchronize your thought process. That is not going to give you thinking. Okay, so that is there just to give you a little bit of a system kind of stuff. But the main thing is that how you can become a part of the environment, the system, and how you can grow naturally. So this is why I ask a lot of questions also. You don't ask, unless you're supposed to ask. That you are going to teach yourself, and you will see that how. So everyone, please, everyone has to speak about that something. What NID wants you to do? What we got observed. What else?
Sir, they want us to know about our life and how we see things around us and how do we react to the things which we are not.
How we react. Yeah. How you basically now here is a little bit personified. It's primarily based on you because it's gonna be your project. So basically, how you react.
They want us to innovate.
Innovate. Oh yeah, of course. You're finding such kind of situation where you're not able to understand how to deal with that. So how creatively you came up with this thing, and how did you innovate anything which has helped you? to counter that situation. So basically, that also innovate. Rejoin again. Gaurav sir, can we like to point out all these things are very subjective. It works in a different situation, different way. So you need to be very careful about the particular situation. And of course, when we have classes, so we'll talk about the particular situation, in what situation you should think like that. But these are the general things we are making here. Okay. So innovate means if you talk about the technology, innovation means differently. When you talk about when you talk about your lifestyle experience, innovation means little different there. When you talk about the culture, innovation means little different there. Okay, so we have to think all of these things. Observation. When you do technology, your observation level becomes different because that becomes much more logical instead of the perceptive. That becomes much more of a technical side of it rather than the empathic side of it. When you talk about how to react to the situation, cultural issues you take a different way, and technological or any kind of and suppose like environmental issues you take a different way. Okay, so of course we have to put all these things into the context to understand what kind of situation demands what kind of thinking and what kind of understanding. So we'll do that. But of course, you're going good. You're going really good. Innovate. What else? What anybody wants you to do according to your
how we describe ourselves as a person in the story.
how you describe yourself. So yeah, self-presentation. According to the situation, okay, right? So in the story, whatever that. Yeah. What else? Everyone has to speak. वहां पे तो तुमको वहां पे चुप नहीं होना. जो चुप हो गया हो गया.
So they want to empathize, like understand how the people over there are. Empathization.
How do people? Yeah, we are talking about the travel, of course, precisely. So, how you are understanding, how you're connecting with the people,
Yeah.
or people wherever you get. The people, and we'll count it equality as well. Okay. So connecting. But by the way, this connecting with people, this is the one of the most important and the initial phase of design. You know that in the thighs we have learned, no? We have learned design process.
Yeah.
Connecting with, and so many designers they struggle. Oh my god, I've seen in industry. इतना ज़्यादा brainstorm करते करते process follow करते करते end में आते हैं तो and what was the problem and what the product they get, just because of the problem in the empathy. Oh my god, dumb designers. All the time you need to ask your question: is it the same thing the user wanted? Is it the same thing that you connected with the user? Did you understand that? Again, there is one more movie which is in my head, where that one espionage about espionage. I will search that and I will send you. Where the crime fighter is connecting himself with the criminal to understand their behavior, just not to eradicate the crime, but to understand like why this criminal, not eradicate the criminals, but to eradicate the crime, why crime is happening. So we'll talk about this matter. Follow. I don't want to start with this one. Ask the meaning of it. Connecting with people and ecology. Okay. What else? What else?
They want to see how effectively we are solving the problem or providing the remedy.
Remedy of what? In traveling. Be a little bit subjective.
How creatively we are able to provide a we are able to design something for the situation effectively. We should be able to provide something new, something effective.
Oh yes. Okay. So look at that. You taught me. You just taught me something really good thing. Although you're not able to frame it correct way. Now, whenever you're traveling, the people are expecting you also how you are going to share something new to them. We call it in a technical term. We call it design learning, the user learning basically. I don't want to start with there also. But how you are teaching someone, you're teaching someone something new, which is exciting them. Do you understand how big opportunity for business you are opening at that place? We'll talk about that. Yeah. How you are making someone learn something new about it. Yeah. So traveling requires this. This is one of the most important things. Before to get to know things about people, you need to share something with the people so that people will connect and understand. Okay, this is the guy or girl to talk to. Okay, I'll share some of the story of my traveling home, so you'll get the idea. Making people learn about you. Making people learn about you. What else? Very good. Session is going amazing. Please contribute more. Rimjim man and Ayan sir, you also can contribute down these many terminologies, right? These many things. You take any of your journey, what you did, okay, and you are going to point out those important things. What did you observe? What different did you observe? How did you react to it? What did you innovate? What was your self presentation according to that situation? How did you connect it to the people? What did you taught them? And after that, what was your final learning from it? Okay. Final learning, which is like lifelong learning, which is teaching you till this day, because you need to show how it's connected to your future as well. This is what NID wants. Basically, if I say directly, NID wants what did you learn from whatever the journey you are doing, and how it is giving you idea about your future. Okay, and how you are using the same ideology, same thinking, and same findings to solve other people's problem as well. You search about this guy, Karl Rocks. Karl. Karl Rocks is a New Zealand guy who came here in India and fell in love with India. He has YouTube channel, married with an Indian girl, beautiful story, and how is he is helping foreigners from especially Oceania, how is he helping them to travel better in India, and he's a millionaire just because of this idea. One foreign guy came here, understand the people, connected with at a fully extent level, and started a great business. Search about this guy, very important. Karl Rocks YouTube channel. Okay, so the final learning you will get from this guy, how this guy processes travel and information. Okay, very important. So you are going to take all of you. This is going to be your first exercise, and next class we'll do the evaluation as well. I think if you get the evaluation to be filed as well. So we'll do that. Everyone is going to tell you a storytelling about that. Storyboarding we haven't done the class. It was supposed to be done. So we'll do that. Okay. Right now you are going to just before any learning from and do not search on YouTube how to present this story or something like that. Because we need to understand your process, your behavior, because this is what is going to be in examination. So we are going to shape your behavior, your presentation itself. थोड़ा बहुत उसी में modify करना है. We can't learn something completely new and change the behavior completely because it takes time and it takes a very different kind of understanding. So we don't have time for that also, and there is no requirement as well. Okay, you all are designers. Consider that much better designer in fact than myself.